So Kiowa's been making Kathie play a lot lately.
Side.
Good.
Wait. Off.
Nice.
Wait. Off.
Nice.
Wait. Off. Off.
Nice.
Yeah. Come on, get up here. Get up here.
Now, Kathie's been hurting a little bit. She fell. So she hasn't been sharp.
Come on around. Around.
There you go. It doesn't mean the dog's forgotten anything.
Sit.
It just means,
Wait.
now you didn't need that correction. You automatically gave her a correction.
Guy outside.
Good job. You don't need to pick that up. Just turn around.
Come around. Come on. Side. Sit.
Beautiful.
Here.
See, because everybody else did it, doesn't mean you should do it.
Here. Side.
Now,
Off. Here.
now when Kathie first got Kiowa, she used the crutch a lot.
Off.
And the dog was quicker than her, so Kathie did the weight, she caught up, and it was beautiful.
Go on. Good. Good. Wait. Side. Wait. Sit. Wait. Front. Get up here. Get up here, front.
See all the hand signals? You can't do, I mean, obviously you can't do that. In rally, I think you can though.
You can, yeah, in rally. you can.
As long as you don't take the
You're
lead,
leading.
yeah.
Front.
Good,
Nice. Thank you. Wait.
but that's prettier.
Front. Nice. Good girl.
Make a left turn.
Off. Good girl. Come on. Round. Off.
Do that.
No, I don't.
So
Girl,
quick.
Side. Come on, side.
Quit picking on that dog.
Give up. Good girl. Pretty. Pretty
Hey,
girl.
you.
Come on. Good girl.
And let him sniff one or two of them so he knows what they are. You couldn't go into a room and do your job that you didn't know what was there. Good boy. Now he's not seeing a lot of this stuff. The rest of them do, so good boy. Now it's no big deal. But you take a dog like that, he's suspicious of new stuff. And every time he comes in here, it's something different. Poor thing.
Side. Wait. Off. Off. Wait. Off. Wait.
Now grab one of those swords and make it a prettier turn. So it's the snowplow.
Wait.
There you go. Yeah. But he's playing with it. He's happy to
Wait.
see Jeremy, and he's excited.
Off.
Nice. There you go.
Off.
Nice.
Wait.
You don't want that playing around. I mean, I know he's happy, and this is all new, but he's still got to do his job. Good boy.
He's the left about turn.
Now,
so
he's gonna go around you, you're gonna turn into him, so give me the sword. No, switch hands with the lead. Now, he goes around you, you turn the
You
other
turn
way.
this way.
There you go. There you go, very nice. Now do it again, and just feel good about it.
Yep. Onto it.
Easy.
Wait. Wait.
See, he wants to see Jeremy's face. Nice. There you go, here you go. Yep, that was pretty. And if you're working the dog and the sword's kind of in their way,
Wait.
throw the stupid
Wait.
sword on the floor.
Wait. Bruno, side.
Nice.
Sit.
Now you're gonna make a turn. Turn around. And now, wait. There. There you
Wait.
go.
Sit.
He's trying. I mean, he really is a good working dog. He's a nut. Well, he's that age. Now you're swinging the sword
I was
around.
trying to get this. I'm terrified of this.
He's not terrified.
Wait.
If he's terrified of that foam rubber sword, you got a problem.
Off. Off.
Nice.
Wait. Sit. Wait.
Beautiful. He hasn't lost much.
Sit.
He's happy.
Sit.
You wouldn't want him mad.
Bruno, wait. Wait. Front. Front.
Now, you're gonna have to give him just a little bit more room. First of all, let's get rid of the sword. Okay. Now, that's what I told Brian, I'd do an about turn right there, so that he's at least facing in the right direction. That's a lot of dog to turn around.
Wait.
There you go.
Wait.
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 There you go.
Front. Wait.
Now, you tell him first before you pull it. Good.
Wait. Front.
Nice.
Sit. Wait.
See, he's quick. He works a lot like Trouble. I
Sit.
mean, that drive.
Wait. You wait.
That was the prettiest thing about Troubles because he was so athletic.
Front.
Beautiful.
Sit.
Now, it's not finished yet, but that dog's working. Oh, he's happy. I think the key to those dogs is you don't praise them at all, right there.
Off. Sit. Down. Down. Wait.
Good. Down. You see, that's still puppy.
Yeah.
I mean, you know,
Down.
he looks big, but
Down.
he's still a goofy
Down.
puppy.
Down. Down.
Oh, then he pets his tummy. I wonder why he flips over like that.
All right, come on. Let's try this. Sit. Bruno, sit. Sit. Sit.
Unhook Troubles, will you,
Down.
Josh?
Down. No? Down. All right, buddy.
Yeah. He's gotta know that, I mean, you've been gone a while. Okay,
Wait.
have you seen it?
Yeah.
But that's not how you want it to actually look. So,
Off.
you
Off.
shorten your lead up or you're gonna have him back his way up. There you go. There you go.
Off.
Okay, now, Josh,
Yes.
when I turn him, I just actually step right in.
Step into him, okay.
So try that.
Off.
He's better get out of your way.
Off.
Your lead's still too long.
Too long?
Shorten it up a little bit. Because you want to keep him in so it's really tight.
Okay. Off.
Nice. That's how you keep these dogs sharp. This is a lot of dog. Good. Now, he's going to come around behind you. Switch hands.
Okay.
No.
No.
No, the other
You're
one.
going to turn the other way. There you go. There you
There
go.
you go.
Go around. Good. He gives less commands than you do, Dale. Do you hear that? Nice. See, that dog would crowd you every time.
Troubles, side. Come, side.
Turn around. Now turn around. He's got to come around with you. He doesn't quite know what to do here. Okay. Side. Now turn around. Good side.
Side.
There.
Side.
See, you got to keep him sharp or he pushes you. He likes that. What a nut. But that's what was fun about him, was he liked that stuff.
Eight.
Is he 8?
I think so.
He's 8 already?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, I had him off and on for 3 years, I think.
Yeah.
Front. Wait. Front.
Nice.
He really would have been a competitive dog.
Front. Good boy. Side.
Okay, now you want to pull him more to the front because you're pulling him off to the side.
Okay.
So front is like he'd be retrieving something.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Side. Off. Good boy.
Oh boy, that was fun.
Down. Good boy.
Nice. Very nice.
I mean, this dog, you could crank on him. He liked it. He just liked anything you made him do.
Yes.
Very nice.
Good job, guys.